Bye bye.
So I'm here na guys in my parking and my my winker, my headlight guys is nagluloko na naman, so I have to fix it guys. I wanna show you guys how should I fix it. We can do it girls. I wanna show you guys. Ayan siya guys oh. So look the winker guys, yung winker guys oh, di ba? Fast yung niya, blink niya. Then alright, left. So yan yung normal guys. That is the normal. And then yan abnormal. Abnormal. Ay okay lang siya pag inano. So yan oh, so fast di ba? So fast niya oh. Diba? So fast and on. So it means guys, sira yan guys. So yun guys, it means sira. So ayusin natin guys. Let's fix it. We can do this. First, sa baba ng handle guys, there is pwede mo siyang i-open dito, pull it, and ma-open na yun sa front. So let's go there. So yan siya guys, so signal light lang siya dito, but in this part guys, hindi siya nagla-light, di ba? So we have to open this guys. I'll open it. Yun. Ayan, this is it guys. So ayusin na natin guys ha. Ito yun guys. So yan ha, mekanika muna ako ngayon guys. Mekanika girl. Mekanika girl muna ako ngayon ha. So let's fix this. Okay. Andito yan guys. Alam ko yan. So ito yun siya guys oh. Ito yun siya guys. Ito. The light. So let's tingnan nyo guys ha. 1, 2, 3. Oh, very good. Diba? Ang galing ko. Namatay. Okay, I'm done it. Diba? Oh, look. Diba ang galing ko, guys? I did it, guys. So, that is, guys. If you're a single mom, guys, you can do it. So, don't be afraid to be a single mom. You can do this. Okay. Done. Diba ang galing ko, guys? Diba nothing is impossible guys. Pag gugustuhin mo, kaya mo. Oh. Uwi na nga ako. Uwi na ako guys.
Hi guys. Mama no channel 登録してね。バイバイ。